Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing of the Dezi sunglasses by Desi Perkins. She came out with her own sunglass line. Her first launch was in July, I believe, and they sold out in like 0.2 seconds. So this launch, she ordered a lot more inventory. So I was able to get my hands on two pairs that I really wanted, and I'm just gonna kind of unbox them and show you what I got and everything. That's basically it. So she came out with six different types of sunglasses, and they all came in like 4 or 5 different colorways, which was super cool. I mean, she could have come out with like 2 different pairs and I'm sure people would have been happy with that, but she really went like above and beyond, which is super nice because I know a lot of people like all black sunglasses. Me personally, I just don't find those look the best on me, so I like going for like brown or like lighter brown tones in my sunglasses. I mean, she really came out with a pair for every single person. For different types of styles, different colors, like there was seriously a pair for each person. So I actually got rid of the box that it came in, even though this is an unboxing video. Got rid of the box. So here are the 2 pairs of sunglasses in their case. So the case is just this like light gray, it's like a beigey gray, I don't know how to describe it. You can see it indented, it says Dezi, which is the brand. It's a nice solid case. I mean, it is a little big, you know, it is a little bit on the chunky side, but her sunglasses are also pretty big, so she probably needed like to find something to fit them all in. But it's nice, it's very sturdy, just a nice sunglass case, and this would be perfect to travel in. Your glasses will not get like smushed and break in this glasses case. It's also magnetic. You open it up and this is what the glasses came in. They just came in like a plastic bag, and in the box comes a pouch which you can keep the sunglasses in. The pouch is really nice too. It's a really like nice soft material. It's this cream color, the emblem in here, you can see. But yeah, so it's super nice packaging, quality packaging. I wouldn't say it's like super luxe, but you know, these aren't like $200, $300 pairs of sunglasses. I believe they're all under $100. So I think they all went for $65, $75, or $85. No more than $85, no less than $65. So I picked up 2 pairs of sunglasses. So you can see. The first pair is called the 2000s. So she named these the 2000s because they reminded her of the 2000s. Kind of has this like J-Lo vibes, you know. And there's detailing on like the inner portion. You see right there it says 2000s. She paid very close attention to detail, which I love. So here's what the 2000s looks like. So these are the like gold gradient. This would be like the lightest colorway. You can see through the lenses. They're not super dark. They're supposed to look like that, obviously. I also love the gold detailing. They're just so freaking cute. I feel like I'm back in the 2000s. I was born in 96, by the way. Don't come for me. I was well alive in the 2000s. May not remember it all, but I was there. Okay, those are the 2000s. And then the next pair, I'm so excited for these. At first, I love the frame of this. I love the design of this. I need this design in like every colorway, but I could only get my hands on this colorway. It has to be like the coolest pair of sunglasses ever. Just like one of the coolest designs when it comes to beauty and fashion. So this is called On Red, and this is in the baby blue colorway. You can see like how freaking cool. And the lens has like a slight gradient to it. Oh, just the detail is killing me. So these are called On Red. Like, I left you on fucking red. I love the blue. I just love the fucking blue. I love it. And that, ladies and gents, is On Red. And those are both pairs of the Desi sunglasses. I guess if you're curious about the price, the 2000s are 85 bucks. On Red, oh wow, on Red is actually 65 bucks, which 65 bucks for a pair of sunglasses honestly is not bad, especially for these. These are so nice. So these come in black, dark roast / dark smoke, blue quartz, which is this one, and then classic tortoise. I would love these in the dark roast, dark smoke colorway. And then the 2000s comes in black and dark smoke, and then gold dark smoke. So black lens, just gold detailing. Then the ones I got were gold G15 gradient. So the G15 gradient is like the super light lens. And it also comes in rose gold, which is the other one I was thinking about getting, but I decided with the G15 gradient. But I might have to get the rose gold next sometime. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Pretty like straightforward, self-explanatory, but I feel like I just wanted to like show off my purchase, you know? So yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.